Hey, so I went to Sephora and I actually went a couple of times, and I also ordered online on the Canadian website, and I packed everything together and saved it so I could do one big Sephora haul. For me it's big because I usually don't buy so many things at one time. I don't know, I'm not like a big shopper, but anyways, for me this is a big haul. It might not be very big to you. To me it is. So I'm gonna start off with the makeup items, and one of the makeup items I got is a lipstick, but it's actually two lipsticks in one. It's this by Bite. I mean, my luggage and everything kind of got destroyed coming back, so yeah, that's why it looks like this. But okay, this is by Bite Beauty, and it is the two-sided lipstick, and this was the one that was in that little place like before you pay where they have a bunch of like mini size things. And so one side is the color Tangerine and the other side is Longonberry or Lingonberry, and so I'm wearing the berry one right now. It's kind of a vibrant kind of purple color instead of like for fall usually it's a darker kind of purpley red kind of color, but this is a more vibrant one, and I think it's really nice for fall. And yeah, they're very small, but you get two colors, so I think it's worth it actually. This is the orange shade. I'll swatch the orange for you. It's a vibrant kind of pink orange. Yeah, it's this coral color. $17 plus tax, and so I do think it's worth the price because you get two lipsticks in one, and if you're someone who has a lot of lipsticks or different colors and likes to change it up, then it's good, because I have like never used up an entire tube of lipsticks, so I like the mini ones. As a birthday present, I got the Nars sticks, and one is a kind of beigey pink kind of color, which I think would look better on people with fairer skin than me, because it's actually lighter or kind of pale on me. I don't know, maybe it washes me out a bit. And one is a very dark, really beautiful red color. So here are the swatches. This is the kind of nude pink one, and you can see like sometimes it looks like it's really pale. Well, for my skin tone it is. The red is gorgeous, and it's like Cruella de Vil. That's the color. Yeah, the color is Cruella, and this one is Rikugien. So my birthday's in September, so that's when I had gotten these, and they're very creamy, very moisturizing, and just really nice to put on, yet they come off matte, even though this one has a bit of shimmer in it. I can actually try these on for you and show you, and I'll also show you this as well. I'm already wearing the Lingonberry. These ones are also matte. Okay, this is Tangerine. It's both of these on both sides are very creamy but matte, and they won't be kiss proof like some mattes, but they will not dry your lips out very much. Okay, this is Nars Rikugien. That's the name of the color, Rikugien. It might look a little darker because maybe the Lingonberry had already stained my lips a little tiny bit, but pretty much this is it. Yeah, it looks okay, but I generally don't like to wear this. Okay, and this is Cruella, and I think it's a gorgeous red color, and it suits me very well, and maybe it's the best kind of red that I have. So the next thing I got is the Tarte Tinted Primer. It's the BB Tinted Treatment 12-Hour Primer, and in the shade Light. I tried the shade Medium and it was too dark for me, and it's a very light, it's not a BB cream, it's a tinted primer, and it offers very light coverage as well. So this is a swatch of it on my hand, and this is the color Light, and it'll suit a variety of skin tones. Because look, it just blends in, and you can't really see the tint, like you can't see it. But it does give a light coverage, but it doesn't give very much coverage, so you can't really use it as a BB cream or a foundation unless you have really good skin. Maybe some of you, do have really good skin. It feels really nice, smooth, soft, makes your skin very silky, and yeah, so I really do like it. I wish that it had more coverage and it could be, then I could just use this and that would be awesome. But currently I use it with foundation or other things over, at least with concealer. And then I got the Ambient Lighting Power from Hourglass, and this is the shade Ethereal, which is the white one. This is a really gorgeous compact with a really gorgeous white kind of shimmery powder inside, and it's supposed to create a moonlight glow on your face. I'm not using it right now. I'll try to do a full review of it one day, one day soon, but I just really like it. I really like it, and you can use it all over, or you can just use it as a highlighter, and I think it does create a nice glow to your face, and it offers just a bit of coverage, and it kind of works like the Makeup Forever HD powder, which is what I normally use. So it does that, plus it creates a glow. It has shimmers on it, but the shimmers, like, they're very, very fine. You can't tell. So you can use it as a highlighter as well. And then I got the mini of the same powder, but in the shade Dim. So this one gives more coverage, and this one gives a different kind of glow. Let me see if I can open it. So the Dim Light, it creates a more toned down kind of glow. I think it does offer a bit more coverage, and it is tinted, so it's not white. So yeah, it's this kind of beige color. It's pretty much my skin tone color, but both of these will suit a variety of skin tones because it's very, it's light coverage. They're very sheer, but I think it's very flattering. It says this is the travel size universal finishing powder, recreates the most exquisitely flattering light to carry with you day and night. And then I got a Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and this is the shade Glisten. And I got it because I have this in the Princess Palette Volume 2 by Tarte, and I really like it. It looks really good, and I think it could look good on any skin tone pretty much. This I am wearing right now here, and I actually had swatches of it in another video, but I'll swatch it again. That's it there. It's not, the camera isn't doing it justice. And then I got the Urban Decay Primer Potion in the anti-aging one, the new anti-aging one. I haven't tried, like I don't have the original one anyway, so I can't really compare the two. I think it's okay, nothing special or miraculous, but on my eyes, I have a very prominent crease, and everything just creases on me anyway. This does help. Any kind of primer or whatever, it does help. I've tried a variety of eye primers and nothing has stopped creasing. So I also got this Formula X nail polish, and I'm going to show you a picture of my nails when I use this. And so it is Blast Off, and it has black confetti inside, though it's a clear liquid with black confetti inside. And I think it's gorgeous, and you could wear it over pink, or like here I'm wearing it over a kind of gray-green kind of color. You could create like that black and white kind of look and have black and white nails, and I just think this is gorgeous and one of my favorite nail polishes slash top coats that I have. So I also got 2 hair care products from Bumble and Bumble, and one is the BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil, and it's the Heat UV Primer, because I sometimes straighten my hair or create different looks with an iron, that you know, I just wanted heat resistant kind of thing to protect my hair. And this is also supposed to, you know, make it softer. It has ingredients in it that are, it's supposed to help dry hair as well. And this one is the BB Repair, Bumble and Bumble Repair Blow Dry for dry or damaged hair. This also, it has heat protection in it, or it does protect your hair, but it says it says repair hair with every blow dry using this heat protective serum in cream elixir that helps seal split ends. And that's why I got this. It was the help seal split ends thing that really attracted me to this product, because I'm always trying to grow my hair, and my hair takes forever to grow, and then you get split ends, and I cut my hair like once every 2 years, and in Toronto I did cut my hair. So yeah, I wanted to try this out. Can you see Freya over there? That is a real cat, not a stuffed animal. She's just relaxing, chilling. So moving on, I also got the Claudalie Elixir, the Beauty Elixir, and it's just a mist that you spray. I used it a bit as a toner. I've just used a bit of it, and I like it. It's comparable to the Kiehl's Cooling Mist. I forgot the name, but I have that as well, and I did a review on it. So it's the In-Flight, yeah, the Kiehl's In-Flight Refreshing Face Mist. I feel like there's a similarity there, but this is also very good, and it does have a bit of that cooling or mint kind of effect on your face, and so that's very nice in the morning. I also got 2 deodorants, and these are the LAVANILA Laboratories Healthy Deodorant, one in pure vanilla and the other one is in vanilla lavender. I really like the lavender one especially. So everyone's kind of chemistry is different, and so these work for me. I've really been liking them. It's really hard for me to find a deodorant that I like and that works for me, but for some people, like I've read other reviews and it just doesn't work. For example, I have a friend who really likes the Tom's deodorants. These are also natural and have quite good ingredients in them without parabens, just like Tom's, but Tom's just doesn't work for me. It'll last me like 30 minutes and it's like I need deodorant. So LAVANILA has really worked for me, and yeah, I like it. I don't know if it's like my holy grail of deodorant because I'm always looking for a good deodorant. Yeah, this is embarrassing, but yeah. It actually says on it 100% natural, nourishing, no aluminum, no parabens, and so the ingredients seem quite good. It says on the back, this all-natural, freshly scented deodorant provides superior long-lasting odor protection, soothing essential oils, blend with powerful antioxidants and beta-glucan technology for daily defense and nourishment. It's clinically tested and dermatologist recommended without a lot of different things, so you can like look at it yourself online. But yeah, so I got 2. They're like kind of expensive though. I think these were also $17 each, and that's a lot, isn't it, for a deodorant? And that's plus tax, and all the prices that I say are in Canadian dollars. But it seems to last quite a while. So that's a good thing to think about. So maybe it lasts like twice as long as a normal deodorant, but it costs 3 times as much. So yeah. So when I purchased online, I got the deluxe version of the Audacious mascara by Nars, and I am wearing this mascara right now, and this is what the brush looks like. So it has those like spiky things coming out the ends. So the thing about this mascara is it's It's very clumpy and kind of thick and makes my eyelashes stick together. And so I'm not loving it. I don't hate it though, but it's just, there are other mascaras that are better and cost less. So I'll give you a close-up of my eye, and I honestly just have one coat of this mascara on. So my opinion of it is that it does okay with lengthening, and at first I liked it, but the more I used it, the more it was just clumping. And so you should also be careful to not put the wand too close to your eye, because I did poke my eye with it one time, and that is a risk with this mascara because the bristles are kind of long that poke out, and you know, so if you're not used to applying it, you may poke your eye with it, and yeah, it just clumps. Other than that, it's okay. I also got a sample of the Spicebomb by Viktor Rolf. It's supposed to be a cologne. It's supposed to be for men, but I really like it, and I find the scent very comfortable, kind of warm, and comforting is the word that I wanted to use, and I really like it. I think this would suit women more than men though. I don't know why it's a cologne and it's for men. It's very sweet and spicy, and I like it. I went on two different occasions to the actual store. This is the Glamglow Mud to Foam cleanser, and yeah, so I got this. I actually really like the black one, the exfoliating one. This one is more of a pore cleansing one. These are good, I like them, but my favorite of the Glamglow line is the black line, the exfoliating one. I just see results immediately when I use those, and I really feel like I tried the cleanser as well, and that really feels like it's cleansing my skin. This is good as well, I just like the black one better. And that's it. That's my haul. I don't really have anything else. Say goodbye to Freya. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.